Hi newbies, my name is Sahil. Now, if I have to tell you a little bit about my experience in events, it has been ecstatic.
Hi there, so this is Ankita. I have literally built a career on organizing events and hosting events. So, looking back at my college days, being in the events committee is one of my fondest memories.
Hi everyone, this is Abu. Hope this message finds you in good health. When I see people doing a lot of events in IIM Lucknow campus, I feel nostalgic about being part of team events.
The kind of exposure that events gives you, that events has given me as a person. First went for my interview for events. I thought that it would just be some other club or committee in the college that does all the other work. But as I entered, the kind of exposure I got, the various HRs I got to meet, the various industrial experts I got to interact with, it has given me an exposure that is beyond imagination.
Because other than it being one of the most important committees in college, it comes with a whole package. Starting from learning how to manage every minute details of a project and to develop our intrapersonal skills and how to work in a team. This committee helped me become a much better version of myself.
It offered me a plethora of tangible management learnings. It involved events that have a lot of exposure to stalwarts of industries. You get opportunities to talk to them, you get to learn, you get to imbibe a lot from them, to get a new perspective from them, along with different tasks that carries on concurrently, like managing sponsors, managing your own academics, collaborating with administration. So it's a kind of a complete event management package that is being served with this MBA.
And I can tell you, I can vouch for the fact that this exposure is something that you want to add to your CV and that you want to be.
Well, I would say it's not just work, we get to party the hardest and also we get to have the best of all the events that goes around in the college.
Even I and Obro, one of my teammates in events, we were almost about to launch our own event management. The best part of being in events is the derived happiness that you feel from making the MBA life colorful and vibrant for your batchmates. We derive our cherishing moments from the memories of others. Even now I feel nostalgic about the meetings, the clashes, the opinions, the resolution to do something new, the adda, and obviously the foods and snacks. I miss a lot.
So I wish you all the best. Events is a very big family. I hope you are here soon and we'll interact.
So, if you want to become the best version of yourself and groom yourself in a fun, enjoyable way, then this is definitely your place. See ya.
I wish all the very best to the team. I look forward to see you in the corner office of the student activities in the 4th floor. Thank God, events happened.